Hi everyone, my name is Mart McClellan and I'm a practicing orthodontist as well as a financial advisor for orthodontists and dentists. For those that you know me or work with me, you know that I never look things in a traditional way. And what I'm about to share with you I think is the future of orthodontics. I believe business success comes from not only efficiency but also disruption. And the company I'm going to share with you, Braces on Demand, is sort of covering both of those bases. They are bringing 3D printing, which I think is an incredible disruptor for the future economy, into orthodontic space. They're going to give you the ability to manufacture your own braces within your own practice at your own prescription at a much reduced cost without having to deal with all the supply chain issues that we're all dealing with in our economy today. It's very, very exciting. We'll be able to save a lot of money with this technology, and I think it's going to be much better for our patients. We'll be able to finish treatment much faster, and it's going to be much more exciting for our profession.